high spirit. Castro. Let's go. Me no fi control myself, sexy I beg. Come roll it again. Me want take you to the inna me bedroom. We a party again. The way you roll it better. Me want come close to your bumper. Me want to enter the center. Me want come guide you like longer. Tinini, no no tinini, tinini. Sexy I beg you, they killing me, killing me. It can show about tinini, tinini. No tinini, tinini, no tinini, tinini, no tinini, tinini, no tinini. Bounce with your bum, bounce with your bum. Everybody come on, bounce with your bum. Do you really wanna bounce with your bum? Don't change that style, come on, be like that. Come on, bounce with your bum, bounce with your bum. Everybody come on, bounce with your bum. Do you really wanna bounce with your bum? Don't change that style, come on, be like that.
Tonight, girl, everything is gonna be alright, baby. I'm loving the way that you do it.
Bounce with your bum,
girl, keep it moving.
Bounce with your bum.
Look for finding,
bounce with your bum.
Let me share your back with me.
Bounce with your
I'm loving the way that you do it.
Bounce with your bum.
Keep it moving.
Bounce with your bum.
Look for finding,
bounce with your bum.
let me share your back with me.
Bounce with your bum. Hey peace, show me the level. That your back, yeah, only Jano watching me. What bra you try the black video. That pattern for do I'm slow mo. Ha, just me do more. Who said bele kwa can't be watch on. Bemini, I think it done. I told on the kwa I'll be you know. All the girls that know my money. So what? Then sing on my song. So what? Make I give it to them. Brother, go die for me. Annabelle, bounce with your boom. Other girl, bounce with your back. Tinini, no tinini. Tinini, no tinini.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell so you will be notified on every video that I upload. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are a new subby, thank you so much for joining my family. I really appreciate the support and the love. And I have a lot of content coming out for you guys. So please stay tuned. Now, today's video, you guys, I feel like I say this in every video. I'm excited about every piece that I bring out to you guys, honestly. And this one did not disappoint, okay? This Faux Locs. You cannot tell me that this is not coming from my scalp. Now, you saw the intro, so you know that this is a wig, you guys. This is a unit. I did not make this unit, you guys. I wish I could have, but I did not make the unit. I have been trying for the longest time to make a faux loc unit, you guys, and I could not bring it to fruition. I'm going to insert some of the pictures of me trying so you can see that I have been attempting to do this, but I have not been successful. Luckily for me. All right, let me tell you about how I was able to obtain this gorgeous unit, you guys. A couple of weeks ago I was scrolling through my Facebook, and I'm part of a group called Makeup and Hair for Melanin Beauties, and I'm also part of Makeup for Black Women. And I was scrolling through my Facebook and I saw a post that someone posted about a unit that she had made recently, and I guess she wanted feedback on how it looked or, you know, whatnot. And the unit looked so good. It was so bomb. Oh my god, this is what I have been trying to make for the longest time, and I could not make it. I started looking at some of the comments, and a lot of people were like, "Ooh, what? How much is that? Ooh, are you selling this? Ooh, I need one." Blah 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 blah. So I was like, "Wait a minute, I need one." So I quickly DM'd the person who posted the image, and I told her, it was March 22nd, you guys, I'm just gonna be honest, and I told her, hey, I've been trying, I'm looking down at my phone because I want to remember exactly some of the, you know, things I shared with her. I told her, hey, I've been trying to make a faux locs wig for the longest time, haven't been successful, and I wanted to know how much she charged. I wanted to know if she can do a particular style. I sent her an image of a style that I was really looking for and I wanted, and she replied. She gave me all the information as far as how to order the unit and the shipping and the cost, and she was extremely detailed. I believe her name is, oh, I hope Desiree. I think Desiree. Her name is Desiree. The company that she owns, where she makes these units, is called UnitsBYDrae. Absolutely professional. Completely professional. She kept me abreast of all the information. We contacted each other back and forth. She did even something that I really liked that she did is she did some type of like payment, not a payment plan, but she said, hey, you know, if you can pay half up front, and then you could pay half when I finish the other half when I finish the unit, and I'll send you the tracking information, the shipping information, and all that good stuff. And I thought, wow, this is really reputable. Like, this is someone who's extremely professional. I was like, okay, yeah, I've got to get on this. She charged me $200 to make this unit. She made the unit, you guys. So I placed my order on March 22nd. And I think she shipped out this unit. She finished the unit and she shipped it out, I want to say around April 1st or 2nd. And then I received the unit on April 6th. And as soon as I got it, you guys, from that priority box, I ripped it open. I looked at it. I inspected it. And then I fell in love, you guys. I fell in love with this unit. I tried it on. I said, this is fire! Fire, fire! Oh my God! I was so pleased. Before I came on camera to show you guys, I was so pleased with this unit, you guys. I immediately told her, look, I want to order a second one. And then I sent her another image of something else I want to order. I am absolutely impressed. The unit came, it does not have any smell whatsoever. She did everything. She did the baby hairs, you guys. Also, okay, I messaged her and I said that, oh, I had a very small head. And so she also put an elastic band on the unit so it feels so secure. Guys, you saw all I did was I added a little bit of my Jamaican black castor oil edge control on my edges so it can kind of look, you know, like it's, you know, coming from my scalp, you guys. Hello. If you are looking for a faux loc unit, you guys, a wig, I would highly recommend this young lady. It was impeccable, honestly. I was extremely impressed. And I know how I am. If I like something and I feel like I'm getting great quality, which I feel like I am, I'm going to be a returning customer. I will give my money for quality and professionalism. She had both. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and also come back for another one, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
High spirit. Castro. Let's go. Me no fi control myself, sexy a bit. Come roll it again. Me want take you to the inna me bedroom. We party again. The way you roll it, bet.